In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily buy crypto by paying with Apple Pay. First, we will create an account on Bitpanda. Simply click on the link down in the video description below and you will be taken directly to this page right here. Create your account right here within a few seconds and you will automatically get the best sign-up bonus available. Depending on how much you invest, you can get up to 100 euro in bonuses. Once we have created an account, we first need to verify ourselves. So you'll need to do this on every platform as you cannot deposit any euros otherwise. So you should automatically see right here a button to verify. You need to click on that and then upload a picture of your ID card, your driver's license, or your passport. The verification only takes a few minutes and then we can fully use the platform. Alright, so now we can deposit money, and to deposit with Apple Pay, you first need to download the app to your iPhone, then simply log in with your account. Make sure to create your account first by using the link down from the video description to get the sign up bonus. Then simply go to deposit, choose Apple Pay, type in the amount you want to deposit, and then just confirm the purchase. Once we have completed the deposit, we can now go to our portfolio up here in the top. And then if we scroll down, we can see our fiat, in my case, euro balance right here. Now with that money, we can buy a cryptocurrency. And to do that, we go up here to trade, then click on buy. And now we can go here to crypto and see all these different cryptocurrencies we can trade on here, which is quite a lot. You can also, of course, just go up here to the search. And in this case, I'm going to show it to you for Bitcoin. Selected right here. Now I need to type in how much I want to invest. In this case, I'm going to go for 100 euro. You can also see your available balance that we deposited right here. Just click on next. And then all I need to do is just click right here on buy now and the purchase is completed. Don't forget to pick up your sign up bonus with up to 100 euro in bonuses by simply clicking on the first link down in the video description. Create your account right here within a few seconds. And if you have any other questions, feel free to ask them in the comments.